All right, guys, these are the Philips Norelco 2000 series shavers. I've had them for about 3 years or so now, and yeah, they still work great. Let's go over a few features here. You got your on-off button in the switch here. You got your contouring heads, gives you a really smooth shave, glides really easily. It does have a flip open top right here for easy cleaning. You can tell I need to clean those. Um, your blades are replaceable if they start to get old and wear and pull and tug. So you can replace the blades. Has a pop-out trimmer here for your sideburns or if you need to trim down before shave. Let's answer a few questions here. How long do they take to fully charge? If it's completely dead, about 6 to 8 hours. If it's not completely dead and you use them a few times, I would say an hour or two. Um, yeah, they don't need much time. I just plug them in after a few charges or after a few uses. How long do they last on one charge? About 30 to 40 minutes, I would say. So you have enough time to get in a few good shaves. So if you're traveling and just going out of town for a day or two, you can throw them in your suitcase if they're fully charged, and you shouldn't have any problems. You have enough to shave for a couple days there. Is the How long is the charging cord? It's about 6+ feet. Is the battery removable? Nope, the battery is not removable. You might be able to unscrew the screw here and disassemble the case, but that is not recommended by the manufacturer. Another big question is, are they wet dry shavers? Yes and no, depending on the model you get in the 2000 series. The 2300 series is the one that I have here, and that is a dry shaver. The 2400 series is the wet dry shaver in the lineup. So keep that in mind. I have used these with some lotion on the shave, and they did pretty well, so it doesn't have to be completely dry. But keep the model number in mind and pay attention to that when you're ordering them so you know exactly what you're getting. So all in all, Philips Norelco 2000 series shaver. It's a great shaver. Recommend it. Can't go wrong.